motivation, inspiration. There was also some feelings.
Yes.
Touching moment also was there. So
You can say hi to this camera.
hello,
Oh,
welcome back to another episode. I'm setting up also my camera. Here is already plenty of cameras, but I just set my camera also. Is it fine here?
yeah, of course.
So it doesn't bother.
Không lấy blog sự xem plan phía ye bro ye bro khai so la kren pareng khalish lang ni la fi lut ni das vai fi bro je ni video sa sen ni kremat ni la yo ban penlong ya ke jing kwah jing bobon. We have seen there are many people who have commented on the video
Yes.
to get you on the podcast.
Yes.
So it's happening right now.
Now I'm here.
Yeah, so what do we do now? You tell us in the comment section, as if I'll expose this today.
Yes. You tell. Tell only. I don't know.
But
I have no idea.
But if you are watching this video, then you'll be watching after the podcast.
Yes.
So we must be. I mean, the podcast must be over by then. But now we've made it possible. At least we have a good studio now to record the podcast.
Yeah.
And thanks to Pahduh here. Oh, you already recording that one also?
Already.
Oh my goodness! Oh yeah.
Hey, what
Oh
about this
my
camera?
God. No, then it will come on the way. I mean, it will block the.
What about
entire
now?
thing. Yeah. And,
Now it's fine.
No, it's fine. You want to keep from the middle?
No, here
From
is
there.
fine
Because if that way, then if you're looking at me, you'll only get your side profile. You not get
True.
the thing.
True.
So better you keep it somewhere from there, I think.
Yeah.
No, not from there. There also will still come.
Uh-huh.
I think from somewhere from here. No, it's this. Yeah.
Okay.
From there, then it will come. You want to record from now? What if it takes longer than 3 hours?
I don't know. Then it takes 3 hours. Then I just need to change the battery. It can be 3 hours of fun.
Kalong. To work na site.
3 hours of
10 minutes, who knows how it goes.
Itu cái. Apa lẹ hả? Mình perluan na jerong pom lah sure. Last time udang long dia ba le ke kum tu. Okay, we're still fixing things up. We will be ready in just about 5-10 minutes, and we're going to go live. Oh no, not live. This is recorded, of course. This is recorded, not live. But I'm very happy to have Pahduh here. This is the second time that he is here in our place, and I'm happy that on the second time itself we are having this conversation on the podcast. So we'll talk about so many things. If you're watching this video, please go and watch the podcast also. Podcast will be coming in another 2-3 days maybe. But if you are new to the podcast, lari pinang thamash ke podcast, we pimpaji ke podcast bangi Juliet nak podcast, please subscribe to the Hashalong podcast, where we usually do podcasts with so many people coming from different types of backgrounds and professions. They like subscribe ke channel jungi ke Hashalong podcast pila ban yo ya ka jingi keren pni ni jingi keren ke jonga bat Pahduh aki hani ban keren pang jingi lenti jongi bat komda terter te bat ya ka jing ya ke jingi ya kore bro menta bangin ya long YouTube baru haju ke por ba komda terter ti nang ni khmat ni senang peni susu IP ke baik ya jingi keren ke jongi nang ni tinang ni video ngi peni bah than ki bro kha chendai sampai be hak main video ma perlak ma. Yes, what would you like to say to people?
I cannot hear anything. What did you say?
What would you like to say to them?
Hello, watch this podcast. It's gonna come after a few days, so then you will see more.
Oh, yeah.
Like that
So
only.
what will you be speaking? What will you be telling us?
I have no idea, so I'm just waiting for your questions on.
Smart. Okay, ting saya ayu biang sa sibet sipang sa page kalong kumno ngan sa patay pi kalong kumno conversation. At the end of the video we will tell how the conversation went.
Yes,
Maybe, right?
Yes.
So right now we're still at the beginning of the shoot. So once we get the shoot gets over, and then we'll come back to you and then tell about the experience and about the conversation that we had, and tell you about, maybe give you all a gist, a trailer, a teaser about what we talked about, and then you can just watch the video on our main channel. Okay, stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen.
2 hours later.
So Pahduh, here we've just sat for 2 hours ngidang shong kumba kamta ka podcast ni. How was the podcast, Pahduh?
Very good only. You just check it out from the channel only.
Oh yeah. You can't hold it anymore. So the light up kini podcast mana ni ti like crunch spang bun ke lenti jong kali lenti jong ye aki hakabe day bat ka jing one sheni. Can you open it? Yeah, from outside. Yeah. Te nadu ka jing one per jing sheni kumu I kendu ya I men keme haganu kedur ba poi ban le YouTube bat kumda ter te kita berkhoi nglayo ban ekran le fikwa ban tip khamba company ti sele subscribe ya ka channel jong ka haslong podcast an bu ani khana pi pen sung thu ba pi pen lek ban page la pem pat page hadu menta te kadai ka channel ka bangi ibu ngi wan ban wanrah I ki brio na kleng ka kani ko kasih bat na sabaru kumjo bingin ekran halor ki benta boper jong jilong jingim hakimat ki boper kamtam habai day bag jilong jingim jong kini gas mi warah ni ki balong kumi aki hente te sakmau banda like ban subscribe bar video ka poru om tang ya ka tu haslong channel de haslong clips ngi dan RD channel but kay bing ya share matas ni badi Pahduh aki hang ni kalong kay ka ba pin kam sutana nomor pin num padios ngau ne mayong empat ju share dia kani hey ru datang hang ni hi tengah try kan nabda ki fans jong Pahduh aki katcha balik menda tilada pi kwah ban tip susu spang kata ka jingya lenti jong I kalong ai men sim ha om tang ta baong ba di bawan na sabar bawan ban explore kani ka jaka ni tinray ru komu brio komu rang ba brio komu ta u longpa komu ta u uba let's say uba travel uba yad ya ka perthai ka mariang uba yad ya ki lenti ki singkin bani kendu I brio ban ya ban tip ya ka kolshore ban tip ya ka jinglong jingim ji ki brio khamtam lele jingi khasi ba kadan kui ka benta ka ba I share ka be day bat kani ka jinglong jongi khasi ka bangam kwah ya pi pynmih pi ban page ya kata hadu bakut pi lam ya ka jing share banga the snow dap da ka jing comment ka crowd zoom no ni pi ya the snow long ka snow yo mesti mati nomor bros kata kadi bita mengi syukran habai kirani khana mengi prakasi tende bandadan menu ban batai ya ka jing snow jing champang jongki jing I jongki champang ka kolsor jing khasi kalong ke ba I mean sim ha khamda mengi ki basa hangni kita ki ba de ki khasi na kani ke jaka te ngakwa pi pen page kita berkhai ha po jini video po jini podcast bingin yo ban le ba nang ni shakmat nginang tap shu ki video ki bandang wan but ki ki gas ki ba long hagi ba bun ki benta okay Pahduh aki here.
Yes.
And how was the conversation, and what did we talk about?
What we talk about life, we talk about Meghalaya.
Yes.
We talk about the culture here.
Right.
We talk about the traveling and motivation, inspiration. There was also some feelings.
Yes.
Touching moment also was there. So many. It's just check it out there.
Right. True.
Next vlog.
Yes.
What is
And
coming? Not vlog. Podcast.
no,
Podcast.
podcast. And that
I'll just take one photo of you.
Yes.
oh you want another water? I have another one from here.
Oh yeah, can I have?
Yes. We spoke in Finnish, we spoke in Khasi, We did a podcast in Khasi also. We did a podcast in Finnish also, and not really in Finnish, but we were taught Finnish. And except for Hindi, you should also learn Hindi afterwards. Yes. So all of that has been included here in the podcast. So check him up. Subscribe to his channel, AB Family channel, and also to Hashalong. All right, ladies and gentlemen, see you in the next video. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, photo. I'll take photo of you. Here.
Yeah, of you. Solo.
Okay.
Here, can we just stand here?
I
We'll take a
stand.
full, a full video, a full photo.
A little bit. Yes. Okay.
Oh, and also we talked about the reason behind the t-shirt and everything that he wears on almost every video. So katarukan sa don pila man tip kita bro. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Pahduh in the house. See you.
Bye.